Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your TikTok account is currently suspended. So if you try to log into your TikTok account on your iPhone or Android phone and keep seeing this issue again and again, don't worry. I'll help you fix it step by step. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, take a screenshot of the problem. Then, go back and tap on your profile icon. After that, click on the 3 lines in the top corner. Now scroll down and select Report a Problem. Wait a few seconds and then choose Account and Profile. Next, click on Login and you will see the option for Suspended Account. Tap on it. And here you'll be able to confirm whether your account is suspended or not. If your account is suspended, scroll down and again tap on Report a Problem. Go to Account and Profile, then Login, and scroll down to select Other. After that, click on Need More Help. Here, you'll need to upload the screenshot you took earlier. Once uploaded, simply paste the appeal message. I'll provide it in the video description. Then, fill in your full name, TikTok username, email address, and contact number. Finally, click on Submit. After submitting your appeal, TikTok will review it. In most cases, within a short time, your account will be enabled again, and you'll be able to log in smoothly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this helps you fix your TikTok suspended account problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.